Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle. In this video I want to show you how to make some spooky haunted beaches for your miniatures. Here are the paints I'll be using, and a list of materials can be found in the description below. The first thing I did was I added my land masses, using some Crayola Model Magic soft squishy modeling material. I pulled off some clay, rolled it into a ball in my fingers, and then squished it down onto some superglue. Once that was dry, I made myself some texture paste by mixing together some wall spackle or polyfilla, Elmer's glue, a few drops of black ink, and some fine-grained sand. I spread this all over the bases, scooping it with my mixing stick and then spreading it around with a damp paintbrush. Once that was dry, I primed the models black. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also use a rattle can. Then I took some Vallejo chocolate brown and watered it down 50-50 and then spread this over the whole base. After that, I dry brushed the base with some Vallejo Bonewhite. Next, I mixed up some white paint and Lothern blue and then started painting the water. I spread this on and then feathered it out with some more water. If you do have an airbrush, this gets a little simpler. I sprayed a ring of this white-blue mixture around each landmass. Then I brushed on some indigo ink to show the water getting deeper. I globbed this on and then feathered it out again using water. To finish off the other two bases, I threw this indigo ink into my airbrush and then sprayed a bigger circle, leaving a little bit of the white line showing. Next, to make my spooky water, I mixed up some 5-minute epoxy and put in just the tiniest amount of green paint into it. As I globbed this on, it looked too thick, but once you've spread it thin, it'll have just the right hint of a glowing green sea. After that was dry, the only thing left was to paint the rim of the base black. And there you have 3 finished spooky coastline bases. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes and other exclusive content. The green glow is subtle on this base, but if you want something a little stronger, you might try out our Toxic Waste base. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.